Okay, so this is the dining room. I'm about to get ready to straighten up in here, vacuum, and then clean the dog's area. So yeah, so it's been a minute since I showed you guys this room. We have added a flower over there, some flowers, and those two vases on the wall, or whatever you want to call them. We've added this TV stand fireplace over there. That's just our heater and our fan. This also has like a fireplace on it, but this actually fireplace costs $12. That fire heater over there actually is warmer than this one, so we just used that one. So this one's here just for decor. So we added I'm not gonna say like a room divider, but sort of kind of, so we can enclose this area and I'll make it like a movie room. So enclose the whole thing. And then over here in this area we have like our little dog apartment here. So she is just chilling. So I'm gonna show you with the LED lights how it looks, but I kind of wanted this room to be neutral because I was going off of that picture there. So that's kind of how I came up with the color scheme for this room. And this couch has had so many decorative colors on it, but I kind of wanted to keep it neutral, so that's how we wound up coming up with the color scheme in here. Okay, so this is kind of it, just with the LED lights on the back of the TV. So it's kind of cozy and a very chill room. So we watch a lot of movies in here, watch a lot of TV in here. This basket I just kind of put my throw blankets on. We only have one in here, but we also use that one that's on the couch. So yeah, but I just want to give you the full effect with it, just like this. I don't know if I still want to do the black accent wall, but for right now this is good. So yeah, make sure you guys can see the whole area. And it's just a little quaint, little small, like family room, movie room, den, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so you guys seen this area in my last video. I'm going to turn the light on. Okay, so this is the living room. That's what you see when you first walk in. So it has been some changes. We added this new lamp. I got this from Home Goods. And just added a couple more floral arrangements, so I can interchange all these faces out because the color scheme is still the same. So I moved the box over here, and I just brought this here. Okay, and as you know, I've said in the other video that it will be a fireplace in this area. So we haven't gotten to that yet, and I'm still on the fence because I kind of want this down, but I don't know what I want to do with this area. So for now, this is still good. I've added a couple throws, so that's just a blue throw there. And I added one here, and so this area pretty much stays clean. I did a deep cleaning on it kind of this weekend because my daughter comes and she puts her fingerprints all on the glass table, so I kind of cleaned that this weekend. So this area is pretty much, I would say, close to being done, like 90%. I want something on this wall, and then like I said, I want to redo this wall. So these are just the areas that I'm comfortable with showing. Obviously, it's other areas that I haven't even started on. Nowhere near finished with, but yes. So these are the ones I started with, and these are the ones I'm comfortable with showing. So we ate on this table this morning, so I'm about to get ready to straighten it up and vacuum the black rug that's under here. And I'm gonna try to mop this floor, and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. So if you guys have a wood table like me, I just brought this to wood oil, and as you can see, my table looks very dull. I just wiped it off with a rag, or towel, whatever you guys want to call it. So I'm gonna spray this wood oil on there, and these are kind of the finishes that I want for my doors, because I'm gonna get bond doors and I want them to be black. So I'm about to anyway show you this wood finish. So this is how the wood looks after the wood oil has been applied. So I just want to show you guys before I put back on the mats how it looks. And this is my little floor creation I created. So I started off with just blue, silver, like different tones of blue, grays. And then I added greenery because I really enjoyed the greenery on some of the flowers, so I did add some greenery. So it's not your conventional floral arrangement, but remember, it's your home, you can do it how you want, and I really like it. So I'm about to add my mats back to the table. Don't mind that back there, we're getting to this area over here. So I just got through vacuuming and mopping the floor. I don't think I showed you guys this picture, but I found that picture at Home Goods, and it kind of goes with my gray and blue and black tones that I'm trying to do. I'm gonna put two things on the side of it. I already kind of got a picture of what I want it to be. I've seen them at Kirkland's, so I'm going to definitely get those. But this is just kind of how the dining room looks. I know the fridge is kind of an offset. It's kind of in the dining room. But the way that this house is set up, like I said, we kind of mapped it out because it was a mobile home office. So we turned it into a home. So everything is not completely perfect. Like the chandelier is kind of offset. So different things are offset. But I mean, it's totally fine. At first it was annoying. But now it doesn't bother me as much as it did. And plus I was going to put it somewhere over here. Don't mind the kitchen because I'm about to clean it now. But I was about to put it in that little blank area, but I think we're gonna add a deep freezer there. So I'm about to get ready to organize this kitchen to the best of my ability, because we still need some storage space. Still trying to decide if I want to put cabinets at the top or not. So just different things. We got to add a hood over the stove. So we're slowly but surely getting things done. So yeah, I'll let you guys see my messy kitchen. So I'm definitely about to clean it up now though. Okay, so I have cleaned the kitchen. So like I told you before, the kitchen has like storage issues. So I need more place to store. So I'm thinking about putting the cabinets up top. But so far, I just try to maintain the area, keep it as clean as possible. Sometimes it does get a little messy. But yeah, this is it. All the parts of the house that I'm comfortable with showing. I will start on the bedrooms soon, and I will share those. I think I'm gonna start with the master bedroom first, and then they'll probably be their own separate thing. Also, the kitchen, once it gets painted, I will do a video on that. And when we get more organization space, I would do a video on that as well. So right now we just got a couple things that has to happen before we get to that. So right now we're currently working on getting our air conditioners serviced. We got the second thermostat added in, and so we'll be done with that hopefully this week. And then I'll move on to other stuff like our doors and trimming, and it's a lot of little things that needs to be done. But the most wonderful thing is that it's our home and we own it, so you could just take as much time as you need to get it together. But yeah, so that is all. So I'll do a separate segment on the kitchen once it gets painted, the backsplash and all that stuff we decided to add. Madeline had a few words. Okay, maybe not. But yeah, so all that on top of the refrigerator and stuff, all that stuff will be in its own space, own area. So far, this is what we're working with. I love it. I want to do plate sets here. So it's a lot of little things, a lot of little decor that I want to add. But this is the end of this video. And hopefully I'll be able to put out more content. So yeah, I'm done talking now. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.